viewers, welcome back to our live show. Today here is Brenda. Today I will take all guys to let you know our new item of scooter X9 scooter. So lucky on our head of the scooter. See our digital display with the speed, power, and the gear. Now this is the function button. If we push the function button, we can adjust the gear resistance. Now it is in the pedestrian mode. It is no D. If in the YD, it is in our standard mode. If in the red D, it is in our sport mode. Then the speed can reach up the 40 km/h. So if you push the function button in two times, then we can bright up. Here LED front light and the full rear light. If you push the two times in our function button, then we can blow down. Okay, this is our Facotry button. This is our Facotry button. If you push it brightly, then our scooter will accelerate it. So the next part is our rubber brake system. We have the front electronic system and the foot brake system, and our ABS anti-lock electrical brake system with the foot of the rear system. So in the body of our scooter, we will show you the scooter how to take our rechargeable battery. It has the small screw here. We can turn this the scooter. Then we can take it. Our rechargeable battery is here. You can take it out and light up and remove it. Our battery parameters is in 36 watts and in the 50.6 watt amps, and the motor is in 500 watts. And our tires is in the 10 inch. In the 10 inch, you can see that all our X9 scooter is higher, bigger, and wider. It must be very good riding experience. I hope we can riding X9 in the future. If you have the X9 introduction is finished, if you have any problems, contact us immediately. Then we will feedback you as soon as possible. Thanks.